Good morning, students. Today we are discuss about attributes types. That means types of attributes. In previous class we discussed about different types of entities: strong entity, weak entity, associative entities. These entities we discussed in previous class. Next, today discuss different types of attributes. First of all, what is a attribute? Attribute is name of the column. Name of the column is called attribute. An attribute gives the characteristics of the entity. An attribute gives the characteristics of the entity is called attribute. For example, a customer of bank may be described by name, address, customer ID number. It is also called as data element or data field or a field or a data item or an elementary item. Another example is student is entity, roll number, name, address, marks are the different attributes. Different attributes. That means columns of the attribute are columns of the name is attribute or characteristics of the entity is called attributes. The different attributes are types of attributes in DBMS: single valued attributes, multi-valued attributes, compound attribute or composite attribute, simple attributes or atomic attributes, stored attribute, derived attribute, key attribute, non-key attributes, required attribute, optional attribute or null value attribute. These are the different attributes in DBMS. First, single valued attributes. An attribute that has a single value for a particular entity is known as single valued attributes. For example, roll number attribute takes only one value for each record. That is, every student has only one roll number. Next, multi-valued attributes. An attributes that may have multiple values for the same entity is known as multi-valued attributes. An attributes that may have multiple values, more than two values for the same entity is known as multi-valued attributes. Here multi means more than one. More than one is called multi. For example, languages known attribute may take multiple values for each record. Languages known, that is, a student may know more than one language like English, Telugu, Hindi, Marathi, These are the different languages known for only one person, only one student. That is multi-language known persons. That is called multi-valued attributes. Next, compound attribute or composite attribute. Attribute can be subdivided into two or more other attribute. Attribute can be subdivided into two or more other attribute is called compound attribute or composite attribute. For example, name can be divided into first name or middle name or last name. These are the compound attribute. Name is divided into first name, middle name and last name is compound attribute. Next, another attribute is simple attributes or atomic attributes. The attributes which cannot be divided into smaller subparts are called simple or atomic attributes. The attributes which cannot be divided into smaller subparts are called simple or atomic attributes. For example, age of student entity. Age cannot be divided into smaller parts. That is called simple attribute. Next, another attribute is stored attribute. An attribute which cannot be derived from other attribute is known as stored attribute. An attribute which cannot be derived from other attribute is known as stored attribute. For example, birth date of employee. Birth date of employee is stored attribute. Birth date is cannot be derived from another attribute, that is called stored attribute. Next attribute is derived attribute. Attributes derived from other stored attributes. Attributes derived from other stored attribute is called derived attribute. For example, age from date of birth and today's date. These are the derived attribute. Next, another attribute is key attribute. Key attribute represents primary key. Key attribute represents primary key. Main characteristics of an entity. It is an attribute that has distinct value for each entity or element in an entity set. Roll number in a student entity type is example. Key attribute means represents primary key. It is an attribute that has distinct value for each entity or element in an entity set. Rule number is an student entity type. Next, another type is non-key attributes. These are attributes other than candidate key attributes in a table. These are attributes other than candidate key attributes in a table. For example, first name is a non-key attribute as it does not represent the main characteristics of the entity. Next attribute is required attribute. A required attribute is an attribute that must have a data value. Is required attribute. These attributes are required because they describe what is important in the entity. For example, in a student entity, first name and last name is required attribute. First name and last name is a required attribute. Next, last and optional attribute or null value attribute. An optional attribute may not have a value in it and can be left blank. For example, in a student entity, middle name or email address is optional attribute, as some students may not have middle name or email address. This is optional attribute. Next, this is example of relational model. In relational model example, shown the table, roll number, first name, last name, languages known, birth date, age, email are the attributes. Student is entity. Here roll number is key attribute. That means roll number is primary key. Next, roll number also single valued attribute. Next, first name, last name are composite attribute. Composite attribute means attributes can be subdivided into two or more other attribute is composite attribute. Example is first name and last name. Next, languages known means multi-valued attribute. Multi-valued attribute means an attributes that may have multiple values for the same entity is known as multi-valued attributes. More than two languages known multi-valued attributes. Example is languages known. Next, birth date. Birth date is stored attribute. Stored attribute is attribute which cannot be derived from other attribute. Birth date is not derived from any attribute, that is stored attribute. Next, age. Age is derived attribute. That means attributes derived from other stored attribute. Derived from other stored attribute. Age is derived from birth date. Next, email. Email is optional attribute. That means some students have email addresses or some students do not have email addresses. So, email is optional attribute. Here shown another example of ER model. Student is entity, course is dependent entity, that means weak entity. From student entity, roll number, name, email are the single valued attributes. Name in that first name, last name are composite attribute. Composite attribute. Birth date is stored attribute. Age is derived attribute. Languages known is multi-valued attribute. Email is optional or null attribute. This is a ER model diagram. The different attributes are discussed with example diagram and with table. Single valued attribute, that means single value for a particular entity. Multi-valued attributes means multiple values for the same entity. Compound attribute means subdivided into two or more attribute. Simple attribute means which cannot be divided into smaller subparts is called simple attributes. Example is age of student is simple attribute. Stored attribute. Stored attribute cannot be derived from other attribute is called stored attribute. Birth date is example for stored attribute. Derived attribute derived from other stored attribute is called derived attribute. Example age from date of birth. Key attribute represents primary key. Roll number in a student entity type, roll number is primary key. Non-key attributes, these are attributes other than candidate key attributes in a table. Next, required attribute. A required attribute is an attribute that must have a data value. For example, student entity First name, last name is required attribute. Optional attributes are null value attribute. An optional attribute may not have a value in and can be left blank. For example, middle name of student. Some students have middle name or some students do not have middle name, and also email addresses. These are the optional attribute. So these are the different types of attributes we discussed in this video. Next video we discuss types of relationships. What are the different types of relationships we discuss in next video. Thank you for watching this video.